Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Adorable One. How you guys are doing? I hope you are fine. Yes, if you are fine, dear, I am fine here. Yes, welcome to my channel once again. I am Adorable One. Yes, today I'm going to show us a wonderful leaf that I will turn it into powder. Yes, I like turning all this leaf into powder. Reason of me turning those leaves or these leaves to powders are if I want to use it, I can quickly use it. Yes, look at the leaf. Yeah, this leaf is known as a Calacho pinnata, commonly known as a miracle leaf, mothers of thousands, or live plants. Some people call it restoration leaf. This leaf is a very wonderful leaf. It is a medicinal leaf. Yes, you can use this leaf to cure so many diseases. This leaf can bring down high blood pressure when chewing it with onions. Yes, that is the wonders of this leaf. It can bring down high blood pressure when chewing it with the onions. Okay? Yes, this leaf also can cure headache. It can be used in several conditions like rheumatism, can be used for cough, asthma, body pains, arthritis, heartburn, skin diseases. Okay, yes, this leaf can be used for skin diseases. It can be used for diabetes. It can also be used for wound. Maybe you have wound in your leg. Okay, just cut this leaf, put it on fire, squeeze the water, drop it at that place where you have wound. It will cure the wound. Okay, so it cure wounds. It can also cure burns. Maybe you have boils on your body, boils on your any part of your body. Just apply the water of this leaf into that particular place where you have the boil. Okay, it will dry it off. Or any insect bites. Yes, this is what this leaf can do. So this leaf is a very wonderful leaf. It has so many different benefits. Okay, it has so many benefits. There is no time with me here where I can list all those benefits that this leaf do. So let's get into my workplace. I'm going to wash the leaf. I will wash the leaf and the sun dry it. Yeah, it's going to take a lot of time for you to finally dry it because it has a lot of water on it. So I wash it. Make sure you always wash your ingredients. Okay, yes, I wash it and I will sun dry it. It took me a long time, like close to a month, for me to be able to dry this leaf. Yes, because as I said that it has a lot of water. It has a lot of water on his body. So I'm going to dry it for so many times. I'm going to dry it so many times. And thank God I always like making dry season. Okay, yes. So I'll put it under sun. Yes, look at it. I'm putting it under sun. Yes, that's finally dry. And so please, if you have been watching me and you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Look at my powder. Yes, that's finally dry for me. I crowned it. I crowned it off camera. I'll be using this leaf in so many times. The videos will be dropping on what I'll be using the powder to. Okay, because now it has now changed from the leaf to powder. So I'll be using it in so many times, and I will be dropping the video whenever I make or whenever I'm going to use the powder. Yes, so just look for a clean container, packet your powder, keep whenever I want to use it. You can also use it for face mask. You want to do your face mask, your hair mask. Yes, you can apply it. So you apply it on your face while mixing it with some other ingredients to use for your face mask. Okay, so once again, Please do wait to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Like my video, share my video, watch my video, okay? Yes. So I'm just packaging my powder. You can make a research, okay, to confirm for yourself the benefit of all this leaf that I give to us freely here. Yes, see my powder. So see you on my next video. Bye for now. Stay away, stay tuned.